Alright, welcome back everyone. Albert Lebel here. We've got a challenge locking device number 3 by Keys1990. This was sent to me by Trekmaster30 a little bit back. Like I said, it just has a number 3 sticker on the back. There's nothing else but the pin by Keys1990 on the tag. No other name or number. And this is all that was with the lock. There's not a key with it, so we don't need a key, right? Hopefully. I have not tried picking on this one yet, so we're going to do this together. A nice dry run at it. I like those. Ooh, sorry. Alright, so let's get right on into this bad boy. I selected the gem for this one. Hopefully it's going to work. We got that ledge, means it's a quick set. And we're going to go with top of the keyway. Oh, that's nasty. Okay, so we're going to have some, obviously probably some kind of T-pin action or something in there. Okay. Let's get right on into it. I'm going to start in the back for the heck of it. Well, yep, it's a binder in the back, so good. Counter rotation. Okay, feels like it's set. We'll see, it might be a trap. 4, counter. I don't know, that's nasty. Okay, feels like it's set. Coming out. I'm not sure if pin 1's set or not. Stiff. Little counter on 2. Back into the false set with 5. Okay, counter again. I think it's number maybe 3. I'm not sure about that. I'm not comfortable with number 1 yet. Let's go feel around some more. Okay. Had to touch 5 again. 4. 3. 2. Can't seem to stay under 1. I think I just overset it. Let it drop. Okay, false setback. Tell you what, this thing's like 9 kinds of nasty up in there. Two, 3, 4, boy. There we go. Wow, what a nasty, nasty lock. Well done. Beautiful. These quick sets never cease to amaze me. Humble 5-pin quick set, and I'll tell you what, you can make them 9 kinds of nasty. All right, let's get backed out. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. All right, let's bring the camera down over here. That was fun. Okay, well, I say fun by you know, tortureful fun. If that makes sense. We don't have a key, so I do want to keep this open, as it is very much open. So let's see. This could be a problem here. I do not want to lock this back up. Okay, nice. Beautiful. All right. Keep it in that unlocked position. Slide a shimmy shim up in there. If it'll go, I know I felt some kind of T-pin action in that bad boy. All right. Pins are going to be over here. All right, the humble 5-pinner. Yep. Serrations on 1. Serrations on 2. Looks like a spooled key pin in 3. Same idea in 4 with a sharp top. That 4th one's got a really sharp top on it. And the last one, more serrations. Let me see. Get my eyes on the core. We've got, they're all threaded. Now what happens with these quickset cores, they're not, the metal's not real great, so they eventually the threading gets a little smoothed out, but it is still threaded. Not sure how much it's going to pick up, but they're threaded, all of them. Okay, bada boom, bada bang, baby. Let's, whoops, wrong tool. Get that shim out of there. Carefully. I know there was some nastiness, so I'm going to proceed with caution as if there's a 2-piece pin just in case. That's why I like to use this, so the pin can't fall over that way or back that way. So, see, it just comes right up into that slot. So there's no messing that up if you do it slow and carefully. Nice deep spool. You see how that tension, or that follower holds them pins up? Nice spool in 2. Looks like another spool in 3. Now these look factory. These spools do. That's okay. They just look factory. And yep, another spool in 4. Again, looks factory. Ooh, little baby spring in that one. Aha. Well played. Because there's a longer key pin there too. And last but not least, serrated in 5. So it came out. And a standard spring. Okay, beautiful. Now, this could have been taken apart. Let's see. Oh yeah, I see threading in all of them. Everything's threaded up top also. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's bring the table around. Bada boom, bada bang, baby. That was from Keys1990. Very well. Well played. Okay. Alright, real quick, we got key pins. We've got a triple serrated in 1, same thing in 2. 3 is this kind of almost spooled like key pin, and then 4 is this one. I told you it's got a pretty sharp top right there because of the way that's shaped. That's going to act like a spool also. You can, and I think I did at one point. I set up into that. When you overset this pin, it's going to feel like you set that chamber when you're actually right here. 5 double serrated. Drivers, we got I'd call that a triple serrated in 1. Now these look factory spools. I could be wrong. 1, 2, and 3 here. And then the 5th one is a multi-serrated. Then we got an oddball spring in number 4. I think maybe because this key pin's longer, but that worked out really good. Really tricky lock. Had a blast with it. Okay, that'll work. Thank you all so much for watching. Please comment, and if you liked the video, as always, give it a thumbs up. All right. Thank you. Big Al, signing off.